Freehand Clipper Sculpting. This is my friend Kim. She's growing out an undercut she had over the summer. She's got a wedding to go to and needs to look great. So what we're going to do is take our cordless trimmer, set the blade all the way to the most exposed with the lever, and then enter at the bottom of the top haircut and blend all the way down to the hairline. We'll be removing any high spots along the way so that from any angle that you look at it, it's a beautiful, smooth line from top all the way down the angle to the front. The only part that's completely connected is the part that we're working on here in the back. As we move around to the front, the hair hasn't had quite enough time to catch up to the length of the front, so you'll actually be able to see a little bit of the undercut peek out from the front portion in front of the ear. But if you can see here, I comb, I enter, and I sculpt. I comb, I enter, and I sculpt, moving the hair back and forth to make sure that you're going to get a beautiful blend and a nice solid line at the bottom. This is a technique that requires a lot of patience, but a lot of gusto as well, because if you go in a little bit too hard, then you can create a whole new shape that maybe you didn't want to. So just be patient and work until you can see the shape correctly fall in line. And if you see right here, the line is being created to match the angle of the A-line bob. And once you get to this point, always lean the head forward, even if you're doing this with shears. Lean the head forward, and anything that pops out right there, see, now I'm going to make that line go from the back of her head up to the front of the haircut. I'm going to come in with my shears and clean that line up so that when she leans back, both of those lines, both the entry and the exit, line up perfectly. And now she has what appears to be a precision cut A-line bob. Let's give her a little bit of spin, let her hide her beard. And yeah, I don't think I could have done any better with a precision cut. Thanks.